when the drawings are irregular, we can calculate by simple method as well as product method. Now I am going to discuss how interest on drawings can be calculated when the drawings are made at regular intervals. The regular intervals can be monthly, quarterly, or for 6 months only. Okay. So if in the case of monthly drawings, the monthly drawings can be your PDF now with you. So please take it. So if we are drawing monthly, the drawings can be made either at beginning or at middle of the month or at the end of the month. Either we can withdraw at the beginning of the month or in the middle of the month and end of the month. That is 1st April we are drawing 2000, then 1st May same 2000 drawing, then 1st June similarly. For the whole year at the beginning of every month we are withdrawing the same amount. Okay, then we can find interest on drawing by using a simple one formula, that is interest on drawings equal to total drawings. Total drawings means total drawings for the year. That is, in our case, our monthly drawings is 2000. So for the whole year, our total drawings will be 2000 into 12. That is for 12 months. That is 24,000. Total drawings is 24,000. Into the rate will be given. Rate by 100 into. Now, here is we should use that rate. That is 6.5 by 12. Okay. This 6.5 is derived from our simple method. This 6.5 is derived from our simple method. That I will explain it directly to you. Okay. So, please note the rate is 6.5 divided by 12. By using this formula, we can find the interest on drawings at the beginning if we are withdrawing at the beginning of every month. So, next one is at the middle of month. Same formula, only one difference is we should change the rate. At this we should reduce a 0.5 from it. That is 6 by 12. Okay. This is also derived from the simple method. Okay. And final, when drawings are made at the end of every month, same formula except that. Then next will be what? 6.5, 6, and last will be 5.5. Okay. So by using this simple formula, you can find the interest on drawings for the whole year. Without using this long table and all, we can use the interest on drawings by this simple method. Either this can be asked for 3 marks. Okay. In illustration, illustration 17, you can see this. Drawings 10,000 per month. Interest rate is 15% per annum. You have to find interest on drawings if it is withdrawn at the beginning of the month, at the middle of the month, or at the end of the month. 3 cases have been shown in illustration 17. Please copy it out. Okay. Then second case, when drawings is made quarterly. It can be quarterly. Okay. That is first quarter, that is at the beginning. It can also at the beginning, at the middle, or at end of every quarter. Okay. At beginning of quarter means 1st April. First quarter means April, May, June. That is at the beginning means 1st April. Then next quarter beginning means 1st July. Then 1st October and 1st January. Okay. If drawings is made at the beginning of every quarter with the same amount, that is for example our case 2000. 2000 is withdrawn at the beginning of every quarter. Without using this long column box, we can find interest on drawing by using a simple formula. Okay, and that formula is interest on drawings equal to total drawings. Now our total drawings is 2000 per quarter. We have 4 quarters in a financial year, so total will be 2000 into 4. That is 8000 will be the total drawings. So total drawings into rate by 100 into, we should change this to 7.5. Okay, this is also generated from our simple method. Okay, so if you are withdrawing same amount at the beginning of every quarter in a year, we can find the interest on drawings by using a simple formula. Interest on drawings equal to total drawings, that is amount into 4 quarters into rate by 100 into 7.5 by 12. Okay, and second case, if you are withdrawing same amount at the middle of every quarter. If you are withdrawing same amount at the middle of every quarter, then same example 2000, that is total drawings will be 2000 into 4, 8000 into rate by 100 will be the same into, there is the rate is also 6 by 12, 7.5 first one, now 6 by 12. Okay, so at the beginning and at the middle. Okay, now if you are withdrawing at the end of every quarter, same formula, same rate, and finally the month will be different, that is 4.5. That is from 7.5 we should reduce 1.5, we will get 6, and after that we should reduce again 1.5. This is a simple way to remember the rate. Okay, we should study this way 7.5, and we should minus subtract 1.5 to find the middle, that is 6, and again subtract 1.5, that is we will get 4.5. So at beginning 7.5, at middle 6, and at the end 4.5. This is a shortcut to remember the formulas. Okay, so this is a case where if you are drawing the same amount regularly, that is either monthly or quarterly. Okay, then final is if you are withdrawing for 6 months only, that is if you are withdrawing the same amount for only 6 months, not for a year but only for a 6 month, you can use the same formulas. Okay, so at beginning, okay, if you are withdrawing at the beginning of every month, that is interest on drawing equal to total drawings. Total drawings will be this amount into 6, that is for 6 months, that is into 6. Or if it is a total drawings is given, we should write that total drawings directly into rate by 100 into, here the first rate will be 3.5. This is also generated from the simple method. I will explain it directly to you. Okay, this is 3.5. If at the beginning of the year, if at the beginning of the month, for 6 months if you are withdrawing, then interest on drawing will be total drawings into rate by 100 into 3.5 by 12. So if you are coming to the, if you are withdrawing in the middle of month, then interest on drawing equal to total drawings same, then rate will be the same, and there is a change in the months. Now you should subtract 0.5, that is 3, you will get 3, then total drawings into rate by 100 into 3 by 12. Okay, this will be the rate to find the drawings at the middle. And when we come to the end, that is if we are withdrawing for 6 months only at the end, then total drawings into rate by 100, then also you should reduce 0.5. Okay, so 3.5 minus 0.5, you will get 3. Then again subtract 0.5, then you will get 2.5. Okay, this is how you should find the interest on drawings if you are withdrawing regularly, either monthly. If you are withdrawing monthly at the beginning, at the middle, at the end, that is first 6.5. Okay, then we have to subtract 0.5, that is 6. Then again we have to subtract, that is 5.5. Okay, if you are withdrawing quarterly, then first one is 7.5, Then we have to subtract 1.5. That is 6 and last is 4.5. For 6 months only 3.5. You have to subtract 0.5. 3 and 2.5. This is the way you have to make shortcut. You have to study these formulas so that you should not use the last column and find the answer. Okay, you can use this simple formula to find the answers. Okay, please.